And they're off. Exclusive Wildcat comes out guns blazing. Angels Are Due showing speed from the rail, and Baby R is also whipping up the pace. Dixie Colors, the gray, has come out a good-looking fourth as they race to the half-mile pole. Baby R by 3/4 of a length, flanked by that favorite Exclusive Wildcat with Angels Are Due at the rail. Dixie Colors takes a wider track going into the far turn. Here's Two-Steppin' Cowgirl. She starts to slalom her way through between horses. The 10-time winner, Smashing Brass, is 6 in that leader, Baby R. Outside that, Finest Spell. Further back, Misfits Royal being driven, and Worldly Dame is last. 23-2, the opening quarter. They come toward the quarter pole. Baby R, Exclusive Wildcat, Dixie Colors, Finest Spell with the red blinkers spun 4 wide. Two-Steppin' Cowgirl, Angels Are Due, and Smashing Brass. In the final furlong and a half, Exclusive Wildcat strikes the front in the furlong grounds. Baby R not going down without a fight. Dixie Colors just at that one pace. Finest Spell on the stand side. Baby R, Exclusive Wildcat. These two race up toward the wire. A mad dash. Baby R, Exclusive Wildcat. Baby R. Baby R, Exclusive Wildcat. This is a close call. Dixie Colors third, followed back Smashing Brass.